To transfer Bitcoin from one platform to another, start by opening the initial platform's app and navigating to the account options, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the crypto wallet option, which will display all the cryptocurrencies currently in the account. Choose the Bitcoin option. Then click on the transfer button, followed by the withdraw option in the pop-up window. Select the external wallet option. Then add the wallet address from the recipient platform. To find the recipient wallet address, open the recipient platform and navigate to the assets option, usually at the bottom of the screen. Select the account to receive the cryptocurrency, such as a funding account. Then scroll down to find the list of cryptocurrencies that can be received. Search for Bitcoin using the search bar if necessary. Then select it and click on the deposit button. Choose the correct network type, ensuring it matches the one selected in the initial platform's app. Copy the wallet address. Then return to the initial platform's app and paste it into the required field. Enter a wallet name and click Continue to add the wallet address. Once the wallet address is added, click on the withdrawal button next to it. Then confirm the withdrawal details. Enter the amount to be transferred in the local currency and click Withdraw. Finally, confirm the details, ensuring the wallet address and network type are correct, and click the Confirm button to complete the transfer. It is essential to double-check all details before confirming the transaction to ensure a successful transfer.